At a recent press briefing at the Shillong Police Headquarters, Inspector General of Police Francis Kharshiing updated reporters on the upcoming recruitment drive for the Meghalaya Police. Kharshiing announced that the recruitment for 3,100 vacant positions in the department will commence on the 1st of April 2024 across 5 selected locations in different districts of the state.
That we should be advertising for around 3,100 posts, police posts. The breakup is for sub-inspectors, UB sub-inspectors 76. For UB constable, it is 1,255 posts, which includes UB constables, firemen, driver, fireman mechanics, MPRO, and signal operators of the battalion. And there are also another group which is the AB constable group. This is around vacancies, we have around 1,637. This will include AB constables, battalion constables, MPRO, general duty constables, constable handyman, and driver constables. So the total posts is around 3,100 posts. This time we are with the guidance of the government, and the government wants to reach out to the people in a better manner. So we will be having our recruitment in 5 different centers of the state. One is the 1st Battalion, Shillong, which will cater to this part of the region. Then we have another one in 2nd MLP in Goregri, which will cater to the western Garo Hills. And then we have another center, the 3rd Battalion, which is Sabsen, which will cater to the people of Jaintia Hills. And we have another center, the 4th Battalion in Sopian, which will cater to the people of the West Khasi Hills. And finally, we have another center at the 5th Battalion in Williamnagar, which will cater to both East and South Garo Hills.